Hey guys, I wanted to quickly show you all how to make a split screen so that you can watch a video, a teaching video, and read a lesson and follow along at the same time right next to each other. You can also do this with Zoom. So first you need to pull up your teaching video. So here I'm pulling up my lesson 1 teaching video and my lesson 1 lesson, What is Poetry, in 2 different tabs. So I have my video here and then I have my lesson right here. So if I want to view these side by side right next to each other so I can follow along, I will drag out one of my tabs like this, and then I will try to move it to the side of the screen, like out of view as far as it'll let me go. And as you can see, this little clear box pops up. So again, you see that little clear box? Once that shows up, I'm going to put my finger off the mouse and release it. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click on the other screen I want to see, which is my lesson, and it will shape it the same as my video so that I can follow along. Now, if you want to expand that screen a little farther this way or that way, you can. But that's an easy way to do a split screen. Also, if you say you have a Zoom meeting with the teacher, you can split one of your screens and then open your Zoom meeting with your teacher like this. And let's say I'm in full view. I don't want to be in my full screen here. So I would go up here and I'd exit full screen, and then I would just move this over again until that box shows up. And there you go. So you have your Zoom meeting and then your lesson here so you can follow along with your teacher. If you have any questions or need help with anything, let one of us know and we'd be glad to help you.